So M, N, P, Q, and that's similar to X, Y, Z, W. All right, find the scale factor. All right, so over here on the MNPQ, we have the length of all the sides, but on the polygon X, Y, Z, W, we only know one of the sides, which I know the side of W, X. And so that's going to correspond to the side of Q, M on the second polygon, or really the first polygon, if in fact they are similar. So the measure of QM is 8, and the measure of WX is 4. So I can use that to find a scale factor. We could reduce that to say just 2 over 1 or just 2. All right. Well, now since we know that, that could help us find the perimeter. And I could go through and try to figure out what the lengths of the sides are, set up proportions for all of that. But I don't really have to do that since I know the scale factor. And I can find the perimeter of MNPQ. And that is just going to be the addition of 9 plus 10 plus 7 plus 8. Let's see, 9 and 10 is 19, plus 7 is 26, plus 8 is 34. So the perimeter of MNPQ is 34. And I need to find the perimeter of X, Y, Z, W. Well, I know I got a scale factor of 2. I'm going to write it as 2 over 1. And that's going to be equal to the perimeter. Let's see, perimeter of what? This one first. The perimeter of MNPQ over the perimeter of X, Y, Z, W. Well, okay, so we know the perimeter of that, so let's see. And I'm going to use a variable of P. Let's say I'm going to set this up as 34. We know that perimeter over P. So I got 2 over 1 equals 34 over P. Do a little bit of cross multiplication here. Boom, boom. So 2P is equal to 34. And divide both sides by 2. And so the perimeter of X, Y, Z, W is going to be 17. So perimeter using a scale factor and what we've been given, the perimeter of MNPQ is 34 and the perimeter of X, Y, Z, W is 17, provided that those two polygons are similar. I kind of like these problems. Hope you do as well.